Hey friends, let's review the different types of notes that we've learned about so far this year, just to make sure you're ready for today's activity. Our first note that we're going to review is called a quarter note. When we read a quarter note, we say ta, and it gets one beat. Ta. Our next note is an eighth note pair. We call it an eighth note pair because it's two notes tied together, just like a pair of shoes. When we read this, we say ta-dee, and each one gets half of a beat. So the pair together takes up a whole beat, but we have to fit both words, ta and dee, in that time. Ta-dee. The next note is a half note. A half note gets two beats, and when we read it, we say two. Notice how I didn't clap twice. I only clapped once and moved my hands across to show that it lasted for two beats. Two. The next one is a whole note. This one gets four beats. Four beats. And we do the same thing we did for the half note that got two beats. We just say toe and we hold it for four beats. So toe. Notice I did not clap four times. I held my hands together and moved them for four beats. Toe. And this isn't exactly a note. This is a rest instead. This is a quarter rest. A quarter rest is a quiet moment. When we read it in class, a lot of times I call it wait. And it gets one beat, the same amount of time as a ta. It's like a silent ta in your head. So it would be and we're going to hold our hands up like this so we don't make any noise. Wait. All right, you are ready to try our activity. Go back to the original lesson and try some of the rhythm play-alongs. Have fun.